Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent battery up to show banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to scroll down a bit and tap the banner option. And first of all, at the top we have the option to enable all or disable all banners, and here we have our specific app permissions. So battery, by default it's on. We can turn it off using this switch right here, and now we can turn it back on using the same switch. These are all on and off switches, pretty easy. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.